Good morning. I said I was going to show you around this house that we are renting. So this is the grand tour. Of course, the outside area with the swimming pool. And what makes this pool so unique is that the pool actually has two bar stools mounted in the swimming pool. So that's pretty cool. And that is by far my favorite spot, sitting there in the corner in the pool, having a drink. I think while I'm here, let me show you the perimeter of the house. I'm not going to walk right around, but I suppose if you want to come here with your pet, it's pet friendly by the way. So if you want to come here with your pet, it's pretty secure, certainly for a dog and even for a cat to some degree, I suppose. There's a wall with no gaps whatsoever. Even the gate itself also has virtually no gaps. I also feel like there's a lot of privacy here in this particular area, this garden pool area. See what I mean about it being secure? This high wall goes right around the whole house, except for that wall over there, which is a bit lower. And the gate over here behind me, no gaps. The biggest gap would be over here between the wall and the gate itself, but it's not a very big gap. There's also outdoor furniture over here, great for having a meal after you had a barbecue. This here is the dining room table with 6 chairs. We use it more for storage, all the things, our gear and whatever else we need for the day, so we leave it all up here on the table. There's no air conditioning in this room, there's only a ceiling fan. Oh, by the way, there's also a ceiling fan outside above this table over here. And we could squeeze the car in here. You've got to move the table a little bit, but we could squeeze the car into this little patio driveway. But yeah, a bigger car, I don't think you're going to be able to fit a bigger car in here. But there is parking just outside the wall, and there's even some shade too from these trees over here. And then through here is the kitchen, and like I said, the kitchen gets really hot. So thank heavens for that fan that they bought for us. The kitchen is pretty basic. There is a microwave oven, gas stove, and a big refrigerator. There's also a rice cooker. There's crockery and things in here too. Cutlery. So yeah, pretty much what you need. So here's the living room, and as you might gather, there's no air conditioning in here either, which is unfortunate because you need to run air conditioning from the adjacent bedrooms to cool down this area. The fan is not sufficient, the ceiling fan that is, but it does help quite a bit. We even took the kitchen fan that they bought for us and we're using it in this room too. But the sofa is quite comfortable. There is a TV in here. Quite honestly, we haven't even tried the TV yet, so I do not know what the reception is like. I'll update you on that later. Now this is a 3-bedroom house. This over here is bedroom number 1. Quite spacious. There are cupboards here too. And there is Wi-Fi in the house. And there's plenty of wall sockets, a lot of them. So it's not a problem charging what you need to charge. Then this over here is the master bedroom, and this over here is the ensuite bathroom. There's a shower in there, little basin, and then over here is the second bathroom. I'm not going to show you this one because it's pretty much the same as the other one, and this is the third bedroom. They even have a couple of books over here, mostly in German because the owner is German, but there are some English ones too. The decision behind renting this house was the privacy of the garden and the pool area out there, and also we are planning on spending very little time here at the house. We do not know this area very well, so most of the time we hope to be outside exploring the area. the plan today is to spend the day at the beach, maybe enjoy some seafood and get some nice aerial shots with the drone. Let's go. Yeah, the Thai music. On the way to the beach we found this temple, and it has quite a large Buddha image up there as well as a monk, so I'm going to send the drone up and see what that looks like. This is a really beautiful and well-kept temple. I'm not entirely sure, but as far as I know, these two are called yaks, which means giant, I think. And I think that they are here to protect the temple or the people here. And this is what we came for. Not the big-ass shark. The beach, behind the big-ass shark. This is Bang Sare beach. So Bang Sare is the area where we are living, and this of course is the beach that belongs to that area. And there's some shade underneath the trees over here. The beach seems quite narrow. I assume this is high tide. And there are a lot of shops on this main road. So let me show you. The main road is right over there behind me, and there are some restaurants and shops there. Lots of shade again. There's trees over here too. They even have these little like gazebo things set up over here, so you can chill there in the shade. Yeah, they seem very organized here. And you got a view of the hills on that side. And then in the far distance you can see Pattaya, the actual city itself. There's a sculpture right here on the beach. We are finally getting some beach time. See how people sit and chill in the shade. Thai people don't like the sun very much, but as foreigners we do. However, today I'm also opting for the shade because it is quite hot today and I have no intention of sunburning today. I think let me send the drone up and show you this area from up there. There's quite a bit of activity here by this beach. There's some jet skis. Oh, wait, those look more like power boats. Oh my word, there's a power boat race. Let's see if I can show you some of those. Okay, so not jet skis, power boats. But the moment I've been waiting for. Oh, this water is amazing. This water is warmer than our pool water at our pool villa. Oh. Oh, this is so good. Right, so this is the part where I put the camera away and actually go for a swim. Speak to you later. The beach always makes me so hungry, so they got these places over here along the beach where you can sit down and basically like order food and enjoy the view. So we're gonna do that now, but we need another chair. But yeah, it looks pretty cool over here. I think this is a good spot to come and relax. First things first, got some beer and still deciding on what to do about ordering food. But there are some English items, but most of the menu is in Thai. But Google Translate works pretty well for translating those. This little makeshift restaurant, by the way, is called Pattaya Seafood. The food has arrived and it smells delicious. We have like a mixed seafood thing over here, very spicy. And then there's yellow crab curry, which is absolutely my favorite. And look at this view. That was a brilliant meal, and all of that food only cost 630 baht. Oh, and including the beer. Plus you have the benefit of sitting right here by the beach and enjoying your food with this view. So I think it's a really good deal. Here's a pro tip: save your empty bottled waters and fill it with ocean water so that you can rinse your feet before you put your shoes on and get back into the car. Oh, that was not too bad for a first swim, but definitely trying to get out here every day. That's our plan. How was your swim? You have a good time?
Good.
Good. How's your seafood?
Amazing.
We found a shop called The Bakery. They got some really nice breads here, sourdough and things like that. And they also have some cakes. This is such a nice spot. It's really cool here. I like the fact that there are so many trees around here and you don't have the sun beating down on you the whole time. And it's very quiet. Listen. I suppose if you want to come here and sunbathe, then maybe it's not the best place. But if you don't want to be in a constant sun, then it's a great place. For me, it's perfect. I love being able to splash in a pool and not have to worry about my head burning in the sun or something like that. I do like all of these trees around here. It's really nice. Just up the road from the villa, we found another cool temple. This is Wat Song Metta Wanaram or something. The owner of the pool villa where we're staying graciously invited us for dinner at their house. What a beautiful house this is.
Egg here.
Wow.
This is for the peacock.
The big ones.
So these are peacock eggs.
But small one here, small chicken egg.
Okay, so the big ones are peacocks and the small ones are chickens.
Yeah, it's Tina. What's the name? Is the small chicken English?
Small chicken.
Jae.
No small chicken.
Chick.
Small chicken, 31 days maximum.
Wow.
She learned that small chicken.